So welcome back everyone to another little video. Today we're out in Dino's permissioned woodlands where he works, and as you can tell from behind he's been working really hard these last few days. So I'm just going to move out the camera shot a little bit. As you can see, he's built a nice sized lean-to shelter which we'll be staying in for tonight, and yeah, I mean, he's done really well to say it took him only 2 days or so. He's covered it with a tarp as well to keep it watertight, and then over the top of the tarp is the moss. So my plan really for today is to put a bit more moss on because we've not got much time, collect some wood and get a nice fire on the go as well. Right, so before we get on to the video, I just want to say a big shout out to Dino for this. He's not even slept in this yet, so I'm trialling it, so I'm the guinea pig for this. And yeah, I was feeling a bit down the other day. I went out to the Peak District, didn't really enjoy my camp whatsoever, didn't get any recordings, didn't do anything, just weren't happy with it. So I give him a ring on the way back from Peak District and he says, mate, get yourself down here. So that's what I've done. I'm back in work tomorrow morning, so I thought best come out now, enjoy, have a good camp, get some good content, and just really enjoy this one. So I'm really looking forward to it, to be honest with you. Like I say, I weren't happy with my last camp at all. Nothing was going right, and it was just one of them days really. So I'm really stoked to be out here. I've not had to really bring anything down with me. So we've got some nice food for tonight. We've got some barbecue ribs and some potatoes as well with some sweet corn. So I'm really looking forward to that. Yeah, and I think what we're going to do is just get a bit of wood prepping, get some moss for this as well. Get this set really done now for Dino, seeing as he's letting me borrow it. And yeah, so again, so I say a big shout out to Dino. I'll put up a little link here as well, so if you want to go and see his YouTube videos, he's got part 1 and part 2 I believe now up for this shelter build, so go ahead, look at them because they're well worth a watch. And yeah, let's get cracking. Right, so that's all set up now. Camp's pretty much done, which is great. One of the fastest I've ever done it. So yeah, trying out this little bad boy at the minute. So it's the Silky Gone Boy. Again, Dean had it on one of his last videos that we did, and I give it a try, and I really enjoyed it, to be honest with you. So I needed a new blade for the Laplander, so I was going to get a new Laplander, and I thought, you know what, I'll try the Silky, see how it goes. So that's what we're going to do today. So we're going to look for some dead wood. There's quite a lot of it fallen around just behind the camera as well, so I've not got to travel too far. I've got a bag of my own as well, just to get the fire going nice for the ribs tonight. And yeah, we'll get that done now, and I'll show you how it works. Right, I wouldn't say it's done too bad, to be honest. I mean, you can see, just spin this so I can see as well. It's a fair old size. I mean, that's a fist. I mean, that's my head, and I've got a big old head. Yeah, it kind of glided through that, to be honest. And looking at it, it's not too bad wood to split as well. So I might do a couple of them and get them split up and dry back fire a little. But yeah, not too bad that. So I'm going to go and get a couple more of them actually. Right, so as I mentioned earlier, I was going to use this big beast here. However, I've got a nice piece here that will probably work better for me. So what I'll use these for is just dry them out and let Dean split them with a nice big axe once they're due. So I'll just stick them to one side for now. So the plan is to make a bushcraft hammer. So I've never done one before. I've seen a few videos in the past and it looks fairly simple to do. So that's the plan. So we're going to use this piece here. Just a nice, well, a straight-ish piece. It's good size as well, good bit of weight. And we're going to use this one to make the hammer. So let's get on with it. Well, pretty happy with what I made. Didn't take many minutes, as you've seen on the video as well. It's done alright for splitting, so hopefully Dean will like that. Whether it lasts long I don't know, but I mean it's doing alright so far and I've split a load of wood up. But yeah, so I think next thing is to make a fire, get the fire going because I'm gasping for a brew, and we'll get a nice brew on the go as well. And then I think in the next hour or two it should start possibly getting dark as well. I think it starts to get dark about 6 at the minute. So yeah, so we'll get the fire going now and we'll get the kettle on. So if anyone's interested in any of these, my dad actually makes them. Just a nice little fire lighting kit. As you can see, mine's well used. But yeah, if anyone's ever interested in any of these, just give me a shout, drop me a message in the comments, or if you're on Instagram, drop me a message on Instagram as well, and we'll get some of these sent out to you. So they come with these like waxed cotton bud things. I don't know if you can see that too well. And you just break them apart a bit. Give them a little wiggle. They're brilliant for lighting. I like to put a load in from the fire, so I've got nothing to worry about. However, one will do, one's just fine. So we've got some fat wood as well, that's just made up. I like to just split that a bit as well. Just going to chill out now, fire's going. Just going to have something to eat because I'm starving, I'm not ate yet. I'm not sure what these things are. They're quite nice actually. I've got yogurt on. So just while we're waiting for the fire to go down a bit, then I'll put the kettle on. For good enough reason to have a nice little beer. So we've got Brewdog, Wingman. I've had this a couple of times now, really nice. One of my favourites. So, cheers to a good camp. Well, got a nice little coaster for the brew. Just going to stick that there. Let that cool down for a minute. So just going to chill out now. I believe Dino's coming down later on tonight once he finishes his course, so that'd be cool. So look forward to seeing him if he comes down. And other than that, I'll have my brew, just going to chill out, and I'll bring you back shortly. So just thought I'd make a quick pot noodle. I've got the katsu curry one, the fusions. Let me know how you make your pot noodles, because I make mine right stodgy. I hate too much water in it. If I cover this a sec, see if that'll focus. Yeah, I just love it when it's stodgy, because when there's loads of water, it turns into more of like a broth, I suppose. But yeah, let me know how you make yours down in the comments below. Never really a big pot noodle fan, to be fair, but I thought I've got one in cupboard, so why not just take it with me as well. At least that'll see me on till we make the ribs later on tonight, which I'm really looking forward to. But yeah. See you soon. Right, so before it gets dark, I just want to take you around camp real quick. So we've got the lantern on now, that's ready. I'm just going to have to move that later on tonight. A lot of wood piled up for tonight as well. That'll be more for just before bed. So that pile's there for bed. Just got some scraps that I'm using at the minute. Trying to load out as well, just to the left of the fire pit. And we've got a load just here as well. So we've got plenty of wood. Fire's going lovely, and we'll be ready for food soon. Bring you back shortly. Right, so we've got the thumbs up from Dino. Dino will be coming down shortly. He's finished his course early, which is great. So he's going to look at coming down just for a few hours and just have a catch up really. Last time I saw him was the last camp that we had. So it'd be nice just to catch up with him, have a little chat and just yeah, spend some days. But other than that, I'm just going to relax now by the fire and listen to a bit of radio and just wait for it to get dark really, and then make food. Right, so I thought it'd be time to just start getting everything ready and prepared. And if Dino's coming at about 8ish, give or take, it'd be nice to try and get some food ready for him as well, if he's hungry. So I'm just going to prepare these potatoes. They do come with butter anyways as well, which is nice. Bosh, there you have it. Bon appetit. Right, well, I've just saved some scran for Dino, just in case he's hungry when he's down. But I can't wait for him. Starving. So I'm tucking in now. Wow. Beautiful. Let's try some of this. Got the sticky rib. Oh. Literally just falls off the bone. Look at that. Not sure if you'll be able to see that, but I can't move the camera now. What's tricky hand? Try corn on cob as well. Just missing a little bit of salt on that. But banging. Just going in with the hands now. But yeah, I'm going to enjoy this. I'll see you soon. Got a bit of background noise on, a little bit of music, a bit of radio. Fire's back going as well, which is nice. And yeah, just wait around now, have a good old chat with Dino and then get to bed, because I'm up quite early tomorrow. I'm straight into work in the morning, so I'm up at about 4. But yeah, really nice food, really enjoyed that. best tame to the fire because it's going absolutely nuts. Let me just spin that round. It's going wild at the minute. Is there another path there?
What's that, mate?
Is there another path that way?
Yeah, there is, yeah. You'd have to go through the wood a little bit. Yes, mate. You alright?
Yeah, good, mate.
Yeah. You alright?
Right, well that's Dino gone as well now. So it's time to get in bed, get ready. It's getting late, so and I'm up in probably about 5-6 hours. So I can get myself to sleep and yeah, see you in the morning. I'll just do a quick pack away in the morning, so I'll show you that because it's going to be about 4 in the morning. So thanks ever so much for watching, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's been nice to get out, it's been nice to get a little solo done as well. So catch you soon. Right, so good morning everyone. Just literally got to my car now. Absolutely hanging out. It's about 4:30 in the morning. Just going to open this gate, head back home, and I'll be back in work in the next few hours. So yeah, really enjoyed this camp. It's been absolutely epic. Still absolutely dark. I couldn't believe how dark it was last night. And this morning it's still dark. So yeah, really buzzed about this one. Really loved it. And I hope you guys do as well. So anyways, I'll see you soon and I'll catch you on the next one. See you for now.